Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you the food that is causing a belly fat that's known as visceral fat. It can create the problems to other organ also. The more belly fat you have, the higher the risk of blood pressures, developing high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease and other problems. Swelling also can come to your body. So visceral fat is also biologically active, which release cytokines that can cause inflammation. This damages the cells in your body, making it harder to lose weight. That's why it's called the insulin resistance. So now what is the cause of belly fat? The high carb food, which has the high amount of carbohydrate in your diets. Another one is the other drinks like alcoholic drinks and other beverage which is not good for your health. And high cortisol means stress hormones when you are having a stressful life, that is also causing a belly fat. So one by one I will tell you how it affects. In this video I will tell you some foods which is causing a belly fat and how can you cut them off from your diet. So stress because of belly fat, steps you can take to fix it: just relax, listen some music and do what you like. Food that cause belly fat, the trans fat like some oils which is damaging foods that cause a buildup of belly fat, some hydrogenated oils like soya bean, corn, canola, cottonseed, sunflower oil and other oil also which is used to making a fast food which you are eating outside food, that's known as the outside food also. So try to make your food at home. This is the another way. You can check the labels also, how much processed food they have, how much vegetables oil they are actually made from, and how many chemicals and solvents they are using which is toxic to your liver cells. Trans fats are also rich in the omega-6 fatty acid which raise inflammation from your body, and it create the inflammation to other organs also. This is not good for your health. So start cooking your own healthy meals at home using the cold press oil, mustard oils you can use, avocado oil you can use, and the ghee. In Indians we call the butter ghee. That is also the good fat. You can use it. This other one is the grains and flours. What flours we should eat? Stretchy food like bread, cereals, biscuit, pasta. Is this good or not? No, it's not good for you. You can eat it in the minimum amount but not too much, because they are high in the glycemic index and they can quickly turn into the sugar, that is glucose in your blood sugar level, and extra sugar that is converted into the fat and is stored as a fat cells, and mostly that fat cells is stored around your belly or beneath your belly. So whole grains also contain a phytic acid which can block your body's ability to absorb minerals like zinc, magnesium and others. So I recommend that you go with the low carb plan such as keto. Keto is also a good option, which in this you have to eat more protein and fat, as this helps to lower the blood sugar level. And the third one is the fructose. It's a type of sugar which is found in the fruit. So it's 50% of table sugar. And it's also a part of a nectar and high fructose corn syrup. The problem is that your cells do not use fructose as energy because they use a glucose, and fructose is directly broken down in your liver. So this is overwhelms to your liver. So 80% of packaged food contains HFC as high fructose corn syrups and cause a buildup of visceral fat and liver damage. It actually is damaging like alcohol, as it's metabolized the same way. If you start checking levels, fruit juices, jams, syrups, sweets, all kinds of junk food which is available in the market that has the HFCS is also made from GMO corns, which is sprayed with chemicals, herbicides, pesticides and others. So it also has harmful chemicals that further damage to your body. So if you want to avoid these foods, switch to snacks. Some good snacks you can have a fruit. Start taking a fruit daily basis. A fruits daily. If you can take two fruits, like one apple in the mid morning, and in evening snacks also you can take some another fruit, whatever the seasonal fruits that's available. Number four is the soya protein. This is also a highly processed food and so-called known famous soya protein because it's available everywhere and it claims like this is good for health and lose weight because of this. But it is also having some serious damage to your body. So soya protein isolates are used mostly in the protein bars, diet shakes, ready meals, everything. You will see there are fake vegetarian foods also made up of soya protein. So soya is one of the leading cause of hormonal imbalance in both women and men. That is create the weight gain. So avoid these soya isolates and go with to the whole food which has the high protein. You can have eggs, fish, other lentils, legumes. The number fifth is comes the regular diet, regular or normal soda. Soda is in any form it's not good. It turns into fat around your stomach, and even the diet drinks, the so-called diet or zero fat diet is also as harmful as the regular. So as they contain artificial sweetener, these synthetic sweeteners can block certain neurotransmitter that will tell when you are full, and in that way you will feel too much hungry and you will eat so much food whatever is available and around your in reach. So in fact, the artificial sweeteners have been shown to kill friendly microbes that live in your gut, and that is good for your tummy. So soda drinks cause liver damage, weight gain, depression, anxiety, so many things. So what you can do is just drink simple water. That's very good for you. If you can start drinking warm, lukewarm water. Or eat some fruits like I told you before that you should increase the strawberry, blueberry, some berries in your diet. This is good for your health, overall health. And avoid alcoholic drinks if you can, totally avoid from your life because this is not good. Alcohol puts a very heavy burden on your liver because the solvent, and it has break it down into a small particle to order to detoxify it. So liver has to work a lot. Over the time it is strained damage the liver cells and creates inflammation to your body. This causes fatty liver diseases, and fat starts to build up inside the organ until there is no longer is any space. So it starts to spill over to the space between your organs and pushing your belly outwards. So this is how alcohol has to be warned off from the liver can burn other fuels. So if you are drinking alcohol, eating fructose, sugar grains, it reaches a point where it can no longer process the fuel. It starts leaking fluid that makes your belly so much bigger. So do have a belly, you will definitely want to clean up your diet. As this massively raises the risk of diabetes, heart attacks, and the other cancers in your life. Now let's talk about the stress. Stress is also a trigger the accumulation of belly fat. When you are anxious, stressed, fearful, or your glands release a hormone that is called cortisol hormone, that's known as a stress hormone, that quickly turns protein into your body into the sugar so that you can have a burst of energy to run away, fight in an emergency situation. So in that condition body is helping you because it's made of certain way that it has to protect. When the signals is coming to your brain because it's a stress situation, the body will react this as how it should be. But how we can overcome with the gain weight and these things to control your stress and stop producing your cortisol hormone. So what you have to do for that? Just have to relax, and take a pause from your stressful life and stop accumulating the body fat around the stomach. So if you are eating well and you are still not losing weight, it means you have to turn off the cortisol and reduce the stressful situations in your life. I recommend walking daily around 45 minutes and take a fresh air and sunshine. It can help you. Another way you can help just listening the good music. It can calm your nervous system and turn off the fight or flight situations which makes you gain weight. Another study says that Listening a music beats per minute, 60 per minute is a relaxing effect on the body and help to ease the stress and lower the cortisol. Another thing you can do the meditation and have a good 8 hours of sleep. So these are the things which you can help to yourself to make your body healthy and happy. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.